Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this equation here, x to the 6 minus 64 equals 0, and we are going to find all solutions. We are going to work on this equation to find all the solutions of x. Okay, so how we're going to proceed is, guys, we know that 64 is equals to 2 to the power of 6, right? So we have then x to the 6 minus 2 to the 6, and then this is 0. So now here let's factor this expression here. We're gonna have then x. This is, I'm gonna say that this is x to let me say x to the 3, right, to the power of 2. Okay, and then now actually, yeah, let's do this, minus 2 to the 3, this to the power um, of 6. Actually, let's do it differently. We're gonna say that this is oh my god, this is x to the power of 2 to the power of 3 here, minus 2 to the power of 2 power of 3 equals 0. So this is the same thing, right? We have a difference of cubes here, so let's work on this. We're gonna have then, when we have a to the 3 minus b to the 3, we know that this is a minus b, right, which multiplies a square plus ab plus b squared, right? So now we're gonna have then here that this is gonna be x squared minus 2 squared, right, which multiplies this one square is gonna be x to the 4 plus the product of them, which is 4x square, and then plus this one square, this is going to be a 4 square is 16, right, and then this is 0. Cool. So we have then that x square minus 4 here is equal to 0, and then x to this to the power of 4 plus 4x squared plus 16, and then this is 0. Okay guys, from here we had this is x, then square equals to 4, and from here we're gonna have x equals what? We can factor here, right? Let's factor this out. This is x plus 2 times x minus 2 equals 0, and from here we're gonna have x1 equals negative 2 and x2 equals 2. Okay, so these are our first solutions here. Sorry, so let me organize this to make it beautiful. X1 equals negative 2, and then x2 equals 2. Okay guys, so these are our first solutions. So now let's work on this equation here to find the other solutions, right? So we have then that this is x to the 4 plus 4x squared plus 16, and then this is 0. Let me make this make this into a product, right? um, this is x to the 4, right, plus 4x squared plus this is 2 to the power of 4, right? 2 to the power of 4. Actually, let's write this as um, actually, this is x squared, right, plus 4x squared plus this one here is 4 square, and then this is equal 0. Okay, cool. And then we have we're gonna have here so if we want to complete this square, guys, we have to say that this is x squared plus 2 times this one here times 4 times x squared, right? These are our terms here, squared, and then plus 4 square. But remember that we have this 4 here only, and then we're gonna have 8 here, right? So 8 minus 4, we have to say minus 4x squared equals 0. So now this one here is a perfect square, which is x squared plus 4, right? And then this is to the power of 2 minus this one here, 4x squared, and I can write this as 2x to the power of 2, and then this is equal 0. Okay, cool. Let me add another page down. Okay, so now what we have here, we can turn this into product again. So this product now is going to be x squared plus 4 plus 2x, right? Which multiply x squared plus 4 minus 2x, and then this is equal 0. So we got into this x squared plus 2x plus 4, which multiplies x squared minus 2x plus 4, and then this is 0. So cool. Now we can say our first equation here, we're gonna have x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0, and the other one x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. Okay, let's solving these two equations, guys. Let's say for this one here, we're gonna have delta equals to b squared minus 4ac, right? So our delta here is gonna be the same as here, right? So we're gonna have 2 square here is gonna be 4 minus 4 times 1 times 4 times, okay, times 1 times 4. So delta here is going to be 4 minus 16 minus 12. Okay, and here is going to be the same thing, right? So for this equation here, okay, our x is going to be minus b plus or minus square root of delta divided by 2a. So this is going to be then equals to 2, negative 2 actually, plus or minus square root of negative 12. You can write this as minus 4 times 3, and square root of 4 is what? Is 2. So we're gonna have minus 2 times square root of 3 here, right? We're gonna have here minus 12 divided by 2. So we're gonna have minus 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 3i divided by 2. So x is going to be equal, simplifying 2 here, we're going to have then minus 1 plus or minus square root of 3i. Okay, so our x3 is going to be minus 1 plus square root of 3i, and our x4 is going to be equals to minus 1 minus square root of 3i. So, and for the second one, what we're going to change just, guys, is our sign here. Okay, so for the other equation, let me add another page down here. So we're gonna have then the other equation is x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So from here we're gonna have x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of delta divided by 2a. We're gonna have minus b, this is minus, we're gonna have then 2 plus or minus, we already have done here 2 square root of 3i divided by 2. So our x is going to be, simplifying 2 here, this 2 here, so we're going to have 1 plus or minus square root of 3i. So we get then our x 5 equals to 1 plus square root of 3i, okay, and our x6 equals 1 minus square root of 3i. So guys, these are our solutions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe and help the channel grow, guys. Tell me what you think about this solution. See you next video, and bye bye.